Hello everyone. Today I will show you how to use this inverter, or we know as the VFD, that is a variable frequency drive. Yes, the inverter is a brand of Siemens. And this inverter we can use it by standalone or automation with connection with the PLC. Yes, we connection with the PLC we can use by profit bus communication right here, or we can use it by the digital input or analog input on this inverter. Okay, or we can use it together with the HMI. Yes, we can use it with this HMI and we can connect it together. That's really connect together to make the automation project. But today I only show you about this inverter. Yes, we'll learn how to use this inverter to control the speed of the AC motor. Okay, now let's start to use this inverter. The first is we need to connect the input voltage. The input voltage on this inverter is the single phase, is AC 220 volt. Yes, as you can see on here. And the output of this inverter to connect with the motor is a 3-phase. Yes, the single phase input and the output is a 3-phase, as you see, 3 AC. Yes. And this output we will connect with this motor. Yeah, this motor. Okay, now let's start to connect the circuit of the inverter. Now we need to connect it from here is the power source, the single phase connect to here. Okay, and here to here. Okay. Also here to here. Okay, it's okay. Now we has the finish for the input voltage connection. Now we go to connect the output of the inverter to the motor, and we connect from here to here is U1, from V to V1, and W to W1, and these 3 ports is we connect together. Meaning the connection of this motor we connect it in star connection. Okay, now we finish all the connection. Okay, and we can turn on the power. Now I start the button. Okay, and we turn on the circuit breaker and on this motor. Yeah, as you can see, generator is power on, and we wait the moment. Okay, on this video I just show you about this inverter used for standalone. Means that we use it to control this motor by this keypad. Yes, this keypad. And the next I will show you we can control it by automation, or automatically by use it with the PLC. Now the first step only Now the first step is only standalone. Okay, now let's start to use the inverter. Yes, this inverter we use to to control the motor by set the parameter. Yes, on this. Now we'll show you what is the parameter for set to control the motor by this keypad. Yeah, this keypad. So the first, before you set the function of the inverter, you need to factory restore. Mean that you reset all the work in this inverter. Yeah, now I will reset by we use it by the parameter 10 and yeah to 30 and 970 to 1. Okay, now we have reset the parameter, and in this inverter is empty. And then we go through to set the parameter is this parameter is 304 is used for to the voltage. Yeah, and 300. The voltage is the output voltage, and you can look on the motor nameplate. Yes, yeah, you can use the voltage, RPM, power, current, frequency. Yeah. And the parameter we will set is follow the nameplate of the motor. So here is I choose it to 400. 400 is bigger, a little bigger than the motor, and 305 is a current. Yes, you see, the current is 0.63 ampere. Yeah, the ampere also a little bigger than the nameplate. 0. Okay, and then we go through to the power. The power, we set it to 0.25 kilowatt. Okay, H no need to set, and 10 frequency. Yes, the frequency is 50. It's okay. And then is the RPM. RPM is 1400 RPM. And then we go through to parameter is the P 700, and we choose it to 1 mean that we selection of command source, mean that we use this keypad for the source to control the motor. Okay, and then 10 is 1. 1000 is the one is we use MOP set point selection. Okay, now we go through $1,080 is the minimum frequency. Yes, we can set is the minimum speed of the motor by controlled by the frequency, and I set it only 5. yes, 5 frequency, and yeah, it's the maximum of the frequency, mean that motor will run the full speed, yes, when the frequency set to 50. Okay, it's okay, 50, and then 1120, it is the ramping up. I set it to 0.5 second, yes, it's fast, and the ramping down, I set it to 3, yes, it will very fast. Okay, now we go back to the P10 and give it to 0. Now we finish the set parameter, and we will go to test the motor, how it's run. Okay, now we can start. Yes, now you will see the motor will run it slowly, because we have set the minimum frequency is 5, only 5, yes, 5, so running. So I will select it. Yes, I will increase it, yeah. And you will see the motor speed also increase, and I will decrease it. You can see the motor speed also decrease as well, slowly. It's a minimum frequency is 5, okay, and I can increase so fast, yeah. Okay, and I also can stop it. Stop. Yes, very fast stop. Okay, thank you for your watching, and please subscribe my channel. You will get more video about the PLC, VFD or HMI. Thank you.